Hello and welcome to another edition of Beer Dad's Beer Reviews with me, Dave the Beer Dad, back again to do another beer review. Going to do a Cloudwater beer. This one I bought out of Barton's on Thursday evening, and it is the Cloudwater hand selected in New Zealand, a wave in the Marlborough Sounds. There it is. This is a 5.5%. I think it's a pale ale, double dry hop pale, Raku and Waimea double dry hopped pale ale, and there it is there. Okay, say 5%, 5.5. It says so there. We've got a canned on of the 3rd of October this year, fresh before the 23rd of December this year, and best before the 23rd of January 20. It says that all there, and it costs £3.75. Nice can of this, as Cloudwater stuff goes. So, pop it open, let's see what we've got. And a double dry hop pale. Quite like double dry hop stuff, quite like pales. Love Cloudwater beers. So there we go, beer in glass. What have we got? Hazy, light yellow, almost straw coloured beer. Rocky white head, and it's about a finger's worth. No floaters. There is a touch of carbonation, if the camera can pick that up, but it's round. There it is there at the bottom there, round here. It's just kind of there, it's clinging on to the side of the glass for dear life. But it looks okay. Right, let's get a nose so we can smell. Oh, that smells nice. It's peaches, apricots, a little hint of pine. Oh, it does smell really nice. Not getting any kind of malt, but I'm certainly getting peaches, apricots, yeah, and pine, grapefruit, something like that. So let's go. Nice, that's lovely. Body wise, it's medium bodied, velvety, carbonation, a medium carbed, but just it pops at the start. It doesn't kind of linger. You don't get any kind of lasting carbonation effects, as it were. It's a tingle. Big mouthful. The stone fruit, tropical, apricots, peaches, a little hint of pine there as well, a bit of watermelon, a bit of sweetness. It's actually quite nice. It's juicy. Juicy, fruity. It's pretty good. Let's have a little look what it says on the back here. So, aroma and flavour, light herbal notes and pine, leading to flavours of ripe apricot and lemon meringue. That's what's lemon meringue. Body's medium bodied and silky with a lighter, slight short finish. Aftertaste is lingering resinous notes, accompanying a light peppery bitterness. I can see where they're coming from. It says this is a flavour intensity. There's a flavour intensity to our double dry hop pales. This one is hopped with hand selected Raku and Waimea. That we find affirming yet also relaxing. A beer not confined by strength and good judgment to the shortest of measures. Instead, a bit of a long lingering pauses. That's really bad to me because it's a white right now, but a white wave. Long lingering pauses. One such pause during our hop selection was the ferry from Picton. Something hours along the Marlborough Sound and across the Cook Strait. It says that there. Okay. This is nice. It's so nice. I'm going to go away and I'm going to drink it. I'm not going to finish it on camera. It's very tasty. Do I like it? Yes. Would I buy it again? Possibly. Would I recommend to friends? Absolutely. Absolutely would. It is nice and juicy. I know a few people who would like it. So yeah. So if you see it out and about, pick it up and give it a go. A Wave in the Marlborough Sounds by Cloudwater. If you've had this beer, let me know what you think down there. It's £5 on the website. The link's down there as well. I got it for that much, so I think it's a little bit of a victory for me. If you like what you see, thumbs up, thumbs down if you don't, and say subscribe down there. Comment, the usual stuff, and I'll see you all in the next one. Hey,